So he's finally got that power trowel happening right now. They waited on it for probably, I guess we poured this morning, so it's been about 6 hours. The garage slab is jumped a little bit. They actually got it going. They're trying to, you know, that thing actually levels and polishes, so it makes it look really, really nice and make sure everything is on that same level. Can't wait for this finished product. I'm truly excited for that. Let me go inside and show y'all what's going on.